Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, M.A.J. Customs. I am Amanda, and again, if you are new here, thank you for following us, watching our videos, and supporting our channel. So today we're going to do something extremely fun. I have been looking all over the place for, it's called puff vinyl. So when you go to make your design and you weed it out and you press it, it tends to puff up, right? So I went to all the craft stores around us in our area, and I could not find it. I don't know, when I Google it said it was at our stores. So I went online anyhow, and I found it on 143 vinyl. Okay, so I got 3 different colors because these are the main colors that we personally use. So I have a red one, okay, and I believe these are 12 by 24, okay, inches. So I have a red one, I have a white one, and I have a black one. All right, so today I'm gonna do a design, and of course I'm gonna show you guys the design that I have and let you know also where I got it. I'm gonna use this white to put on this cute, I like this color a lot too, it's pretty. Summer's coming, so, or here rather. So I already put my line in here because you guys know I don't like to make my videos too long. So you know I use the fold in half method, put it under the heat press my line on there so I can get the middle section of my t-shirt. Okay, so let's go over to the computer and I'm gonna show you the design, and I'm gonna also let you know where I got it from. Okay, you guys, so for the settings, because I didn't mention it before I got up to put the vinyl on the mat. So for the settings, because Silhouette Studios does not have an actual puff vinyl settings, I had to research it. So we're gonna go under heat transfer smooth for this part. Right here, heat transfer smooth. And then we are going to change our blade to 3. And then our speed is, or our force is going to be, it says the speed's going to be 8. It didn't give me a force, but I'm going to go up. Whenever it doesn't give me a force, I just use either 6 or 7. And then I'm going to for my passes, because again I've explained in other videos that my blade is kind of dull, I'm gonna just go ahead and put my passes at 2. And if you're not sure, you can always do the little test right here. It shows you at the bottom. You can always hit that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that, and then I'll see if it's the correct one. Okay, everyone, as you can see, I've been messing around with the settings, and I literally like cut my mat. I went too deep. Okay, so what I have it on right now is my blade that is 10. My force, I put it at 18. I did try 15, it didn't work, so I went up to 18. It was fine. My speed, I put it at 4. And my passes, because this is thick and my blade is dull, I put it at 3. And it comes up good, but my worry is it comes up too good, and I don't want my letters to move around when I weed it. But we're gonna go ahead, and we're gonna try it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and print the image out, and then I'll let y'all know how I did. Okay guys, so real quick, when my design went to cut, I normally don't have issues when I purchase a whole PNG put together, but in this case I did. I don't know why my Cameo 4 missed the R in Hustler, and it missed the U. If y'all can see this, it missed the U in University right here. So this is the image, and it also for some reason cut off at the bottom, so I had to go in and recut every line, or the line down here separate. So it was no big deal. I just went in Silhouette Studios, I duplicate the image, and then I just do a release compound path. That way I can drag out what I need and I don't have to redo the whole image. So you can save it. If you see that your image is messed up and it can be saved, do your best not to waste any vinyl and try to save it. So now I'm going to just go ahead and press this at 287 degrees for 10 seconds, okay? So I'm going to turn you guys around. And then like I told you, I already have my crease in my shirt. And I'm doing the 3-finger rule. And if you guys are scared to do a 3-finger rule, whoops, you can buy these t-shirt rulers, and you just put them up to the neckline, and it pretty much will tell you where to lay your image. This says youth, this says adult, but like I said again, we use the 3-finger rule. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use the 3-finger rule, but you can find these on Amazon, okay? And then I'm just going to make sure everything looks good, looks straight. And I have 3 letters on this side, 3 letters, and 1 in the middle. So we're going to go just like this and put the T in the middle, okay, of my crease. All right, so that looks good to me. I don't know if I should put my letters down here because I kind of don't want to press it too many times. So by me piecing it together, I'm going to see. Oh, something got on my design. See, this was more over to like that. And this was more over to like that. And just make sure you're careful that you don't overlap your vinyl onto the clear, to the clear mask. Okay. And then we'll bring this one over a little bit more. Just like that. Yeah, because you don't want it to get stuck to the plastic. You don't want it to get stuck to the clear part on here when you do this to your words. Alright, so I think I have them all off of the clear part. If not, I'm screwed and this shirt is going to be messed up. I think that looks okay. Yeah, just like that. Sold separately. The dream is free, hustle sold separately. Okay, guys, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. My word sold look like it's crooked. All right, so here I go. And let's just get it done. Oh, wait, maybe I shouldn't use that. All right, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous, you guys. Because like I said, I had to piece it together. So that was just so disappointing. And 1. Now, if this didn't work, I'm going to beat my husband up because he changed my settings. My little dot didn't stay on there. So far, everything looks okay. See my little dot? It came off. So. Oh, my U came off too. Look, y'all. Alright, I'm going to peel it off. I can't believe this is happening. But it is what it is. I don't know why it did that. So let's see. Let me get some tweezers. And I'm just going to use a little piece of. Let's just push that back up there in place. I'm going to use, make sure which side is sticky. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I don't know why this one came up. Alright, let me lay the original top part back down. And then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'll do it like that and give it another press and let's see what happens. Mistakes happen, y'all. So this is my first time doing the puff vinyl. Again, I had it at a higher seconds, I think 15 seconds, and then my husband came in and changed it to 10. So if it don't stay this time, okay, it stayed that time. But I really don't see no puff. And I gotta put this 1969 on here because again, it was not. It didn't cut out on the vinyl. So I'm just gonna eyeball it, move it over, straighten it out, kind of get like something. You would normally use a ruler, but my ruler is over there by my desk. So I'm just gonna bring it down. Just like that. Alright. Measure it again. Okay. Alright, that looks okay to me. And now I'm just going to press it. Yeah, I don't know. It don't look that puffy. But it could be different brands. Because I've seen some puff vinyl that was puffy. Real puffy. And this don't look puffy at all. Oh, okay. I see it getting a little puffy. It did say on the settings, when I Googled, it said if you want it to really puff, yeah, it's puffing, you guys. If you want it to really puff, peel the clear, clear this off. I mean, peel this off, and then go ahead and press it without. So I'm gonna do one more, okay? Because remember, my 1969, I had to piece in there also. Here we go. Okay, so here it goes. And I like it. I like it. It gave me, I had to really work putting it together, y'all. But look, it looks so nice. And it did puff. You see? You can see it did puff. Oh my gosh. I like this. It's cute and I love the color shirt too. See? Oh my god, look, it's puffing out more. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I am, because I'm in the end of recording this video, I'm going to make sure I put the cut settings for Silhouette Studios, and I'll make sure I'll post the heat press settings also. That way you guys can have it shown in the video and not just me telling you, and you have to like really pay attention to me talking. All right, so I hope you guys like this video, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are greatly appreciated to all who has been following, who started following, and hopefully, again, we keep you guys connected into, you know, just the stuff that we will continue to be doing moving forward. All right? So see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed, and bye.